So I have the car in first gear, it's moving. Something's smoking. I think it's an exhaust leak, I don't know. Don't hear anything rubbing. I figured out that right there, I don't know if you can see that, I think was rubbing on the back of the rim right here. And every time I went by, you heard the toot, 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 toot because of that. Because I have it on and nothing's rubbing. CVX seems fine, so I'm gonna probably move that or do something, or I might just hit it down with the hammer and bend it down, and that should probably fix the problem. Put the tire on so you guys can hear. I'm gonna spin it. It's around here where it hits. You guys heard that? Right there. So that's what's making the noise. So it's not a CV axle. I thought it was scared it was a CV axle. Turns out it's just a weight on the rim. So that's probably bend that or take off the weight. I'll see. I fixed it. Bam, I fixed it. All done. So I figured out how to lower the car. Supposedly it's some torsion bars that are under there. I found out the torsion bars, there's 2 torsion bars, but they're for alignment. So what I might just do is I might just take it to the alignment shop once I get it registered and insured. No emissions, awesome. There's the butte, there's the boat. Once I get it, and the VR6 is right over here. The German mess with the silver Volkswagen is at the warehouse because I just have it sitting there because I don't have any room for it right now. But yeah, I'm gonna do an oil change on it. But the torsion bars, I'm gonna take it to a alignment shop, have them mess with it. I really don't want to mess with it myself right now, so ew. Yep. Alright, so we're under the CRX right now. We're about to, not right now, but probably later on we'll do a transmission oil change in here. Probably later on. One of the problems here is my shifter linkage is one of the bolts to hold this piece snap, so I don't know how I'm gonna fix that right now. I might zip tie it right now. It doesn't move. The one that moves is back here. This one is just like a support, so that is fine if I zip tie it. It'll be good for a little bit, I guess, but it's right next to the exhaust. So oil plug right here, oil filter right up there. So let's get the oil change, because I am a lube technician because I work at an oil place change, so should be easy, hopefully. Wow. This oil is I'm not gonna lie, this oil smells like gasoline. This motor might be on its way out, but this motor smells a lot like gasoline. We'll see. And this oil is very thin, so I don't know what oil they put in it, but I don't like that. But I do not know how much oil it's supposed to take, but guys, we are already, I think it's a 7-quart pan? I'm not too sure, but we're still pouring out, dude. Okay, it's slowly stopping now. Okay, so I paid all this $18. I paid $12 for this. Takes $5.50 conventional. I got this fuel injector and carburetor cleaner, and then I got, hopefully it's this filter, because no one had a filter, and AutoZone had one, but it was like $10, so I paid. The SDP one was S2 XL because it was a large one, so it was an S2 filter, and I found this is a ST2 filter, and it looks about the same. So we'll see. We'll see. Let's get the oil change in. It takes 3.5 quarts, right? This right here is a 7-quart pan. and it's filled. And I spilled some over there, and this is a filled. So I'm gonna pour that in here, and I'm just surprised how much oil is in there. Micro guard. There she is. Look at that. Look at that. So you guys know that problem with the transmission, with the linkage kind of out? I have a lot of zip ties, and I'm gonna see if I can fix it like that.